Means all loads
Don't use
should be on
your back.
legs and thighs, not on back.
Right.
And don't bend.
है ना ऐसे ही नहीं हो सर आपकी वॉइस से क्लियर आ रही Retaining the good balance as well. Yeah. Yes, maintain good balance. The class अभी start हुई है. Let me use the same principle as lifting, maintain good balance, set the load down, and then it is, Yes, sir. Keep the load to the body. Right. So let's move it the last part of the inning. So these are some of the lifting device, yeah? पता है ना? Yes, yes, sir. मैनुअल हैंडलिंग के जो फैक्टर्स है ना उसको कम करने के लिए ना ये डिवाइस है. जैसे केज प्लेटफॉर्म ट्रक होता है, 2 व्हील प्लेटफॉर्म ट्रक है, सैक ट्रक है, पैलेट ट्रक है. You guys must have seen, what have you seen actually as a lifting device? Sacks trucks. Have anybody seen anything of it?
Yeah, we have seen
Yeah,
sack
pallet truck.
this pallet truck and sack truck for cylinders.
Nobody saw a cage platform and sack truck?
Sir, we have seen sack truck and pallet truck, sir.
What about cage truck? Where does this come into manual handling? Any idea? What are the hazards involved into it? The hazards are generally ergonomic, tripping, falling, instability, moving up and down, crushing, poor parking, pedestrian. और क्या कुछ हो सकता है क्या? और कुछ हो सकता है?
Overweight.
Right. Back injury. Yeah.
Back injury.
सर फिंगर क्रशिंग भी इसमें आ सकती है. फिंगर क्रशिंग के नहीं आएंगे ना, बिकॉज यू आर पुशिंग पुलिंग ना. फिंगर क्रशिंग जब सामान हैंडल कर रहे तो आएगा. ओके सर. और sir, slips, trips. There will be no lifting, right? Train the worker. Right. And
Physically in good condition.
avoid करना चाहिए. Park in a safe place.
Balance load, clear walkway.
And
Safe parking and storage, routine inspection, safety tools.
secure the load. Yeah. Very good. Or
Proper gloves, safety gloves.
gloves, we are very good. Wide unsafe ground. Okay. Reduce load size. Reduce load size. Very good. Yeah, very good. What else? So clear the manufacturer's recommendations. What else?
Clear paths.
Release of workers.
Follow the manufacturer's recommendations. How to drive.
Maintenance होगा ना, calibration maintenance.
Inspection होनी चाहिए, maintenance ताकि कोई nails वगैरह ना हो सर.
Regular maintenance and inspection. Brakes बराबर ना, hydraulic check होना चाहिए अगर hydraulic है तो. Safety shoes and glass होना चाहिए. Hello?
Hello.
Yes sir.
Safety shoes होना चाहिए ना यार.
Yes sir.
Who are the risk? Hello? You know,
Yes sir.
अभी नए नए डिवाइसेस आए हैं ना, तो जैसे disabled people के लिए भी अभी नई चेयर आई लिफ्ट, where they cannot take the wheelchair to the first floor, second floor, na? So they have a hoist that transporting them to the, in that they can sleep, we can take all these people, the patients, cannot get up, who needs support to lift from one bed to the chair to the bed, So this hoist can, what are the risks is that the hoist can fail, the hydraulic can fail, right?
Yes.
Person can also fall, right? Right or wrong? So hazard and control measures are, what are the hazards?
Falling hazards.
Hello?
So difficult to use.
Okay.
Mechanical fault.
Okay. वो ट्रिप हो सकता है ना अनइवन सरफेस पे, हाइड्रोलिक फेल हो सकता है ना, हाइड्रोलिक कैन फेल, राइट?
जी सर.
Brakes can fail, right?
Overloading.
Yes, already. तो हाइड्रोलिक कैन फेल से वर्किंग लोड में होना चाहिए ना. You can temple if you are not pushing, you're on the slope and you're supposed to push. किसी को पता है कि ये और कौन सी लिफ्टिंग इक्विपमेंट होते हैं उसके अलावा? ये तो मैनुअल हो गया ना, ये सब मैनुअल हो गया, राइट? टू बी अ कॉम्पिटेंट पर्सन लिफ्टिंग सुपरवाइजर. लिफ्टिंग सुपरवाइजर अप्रूव्ड बाय a body called leader.
Sorry sir.
Okay? Leader. All the certificates are approved. अगर सर्टिफिकेट पे देखोगे तो they are trained and competent UK की body that certifies it. Okay?
Okay.
Then उसके बाद में जब प्लान और उससे परमिट हो गया, प्लान के हिसाब से हो गया, you have to see the windshield.
Sir,
crane की checklist, crane operator certificate, crane maintenance certificate, manual. What are the safety checklists? Locks, like chain lock,
Taglines होंगे, rigor होगा, barricades, signages,
crane,
wind speed.
Crane. How it comes down the foot or the platform can be damaged. So what can you do? Weight lifting, barricade, emergency stop, train and competent person certified, 6 months inspection, stage-wise inspection, housekeeping, lighting,
Wind
display
speed
of
is
load.
acceptable.
Yeah?
Wind speed is acceptable.
क्या?
Proper wind speed, not more than
Yeah, okay, lift, but lift में इतना wind speed का कोई issue नहीं है, because the hoist is connected to the building structure. It's more a falling, crushing, entanglement, you know.
Putting safe load on it.
Yeah, safe working load, yeah. Or
So preventing people from underneath, getting underneath.
that will be protection, no?
Yeah. Must
Variegation
be
and,
variegation, yeah.
To be installed as per metal state. तुम लोग इतना दूर मत जाओ. पहला तो देखो approval के बाद safe metal statement discussion, approved safe metal statement discussion, component operation, component installed by the component people, third party inspection, regular maintenance. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Guards, mid rails, adequate lighting, operating controls inside the cage and outside, lift, alarm, fire extinguishers, emergency stop, interlock cage doors, provided cage doors, gates must be provided, all the access must have gates controls, safe working load must be marked, preventing people getting inside, under the lift by landing platform should not open if people are there. So, because, when the landing platform, that's why we have this cage and barricade, right?
Yes, sir.
Balcony is also same thing. It can topple, no holding maintenance, no dust, housekeeping, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No people jumping around. Try to restrict the moving parts. Because इसमें क्या होता है अंदर घुस सकता है ना आदमी. लोगों ने हादसा देखा है कि नहीं अंदर जाते हुए?
Yes, I have seen.
So regular maintenance by the competent people. Do not perform maintenance until the motor is disconnected. People have crushed joints, right?
So warning alarms.
Yeah. Guards on the moving parts. Emergency stops.
People must be trained. Competent person.
So guards we need overload. Yeah, speak. Do you think we need a barriers or something? Do you think we need a barrier?
Hand guards.
Yes.
We need barriers to exclude people,
Yes, sir. To stop
What
a
else?
unauthorized person.
Right. Keep area around conveys clear of obstructions, yeah. Remember, when you are lifting, all the areas needs to be barricaded, huh?
Yes, sir.
Nobody should be below the suspended load.
Yes, sir.
Do you think everything will be okay with the crane? Yeah, right. Or
Mechanical failure.
what about electricity? You all said, right? So what will you prevent? How will you prevent?
Sorry, sir.
How will you prevent crane from this electricity?
Would go use the crane over there.
Workable there.
Why not barricade
insulation.
and mark it, and crane should not go about that area, in touch. So that there should be a lock. Manual lock should be placed, right?
Yes, sir.
What about the ground? We said ground does sector of ground capability should be studied, right? Soil bearing load should be done. Ground is level. Load bearing capacity is sufficient for a task. If it's high wind, any meter should tell it. Yeah. Accessories all should be inspected. There are slings, there are hooks, there are belts, there are eye bolts, there are chains, shackles. Yeah, these are all accessories. They all are certified, and any crack you should be replacing them off. Yeah.
Cradle? How is cradle, sir?
क्रेडल तो एक्सेसरीज में नहीं आएगा ना. हाँ क्रेडल आएगा, मतलब अगर वो ट्रेन का हिस्सा है तो. राइट. क्रेडल कब यूज करते हैं आप लोग?
Cradle.
I said all the lifting devices 6 months. Okay, lifting equipment for all 6 months. Other lifting equipment 12 months. Either case, Hamza Barbar. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now we finish this chapter